last. Now everybody go to breakfast. You go bound for the result, though. Nothing to discuss, cause I did by default and without any doubt, though. I'm a me happy adult, though. I no go feed the girl, I no go feed the girl, it's out, though.
That's impressive, how much I'm messing with my feelings in my heart. Oh, yeah.
Hey girlies, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl TJ. As you guys can see, we are here with Sunber here. And if you guys seen the intro, of course, y'all know silk press season is a freaking upon us. Silk press season is here. So y'all know sometimes we don't want to be doing the silk press seasons on our hair. So we gonna get a wig that look like our hair. So we are here with Sunber hair. This is a 24-inch Kinky straight unit with 4C edges, I believe, and it's 180% in density. So this is what she looks like straight out the pack. She was super duper soft. She was nice and full. And y'all, I love this texture of hair. Not only because it resembles my own, but baby, she eat it, okay? So I did plop her on my mannequin head so you guys can get a feel of what she looks like, how much room you have, the parting space. Of course, you have more room to part in the center versus the sides, but look at these edges, baby. Yes, it is eating. So of course, this install is gonna be very natural. Let's get into it. All right, so look how thick this, y'all. I love Kinky straight units because they're very versatile. You can wear it like this or you can straighten it out. Off camera, I went ahead and bleached the knots. I washed and conditioned their hair. And when I'm doing my silk presses in particular, I love to go in with products that help control frizz. Not that it's a big issue because it's not that hot outside now anyway, but y'all know. Yeah, so I will link those products in the description section. Baby, look how moisturized she is. I always put my conditioner in when I have her on a mannequin head, just so I can make sure the product is all throughout the hair. And then I just add a little bit of heat to be extra. But look at this texture. Y'all see that? Baby, she is freaking giving. All right, so I'm adding in some of my leave-in conditioner as well, and I'm going in with my Dream. I forgot what it's called. I think it's called Dream Coat something. This Dream Coat spray is the business, y'all. This really helps your hair stay as sleek as possible. It's an anti-frizz spray. All right, so I picked up this wig dryer headstand from Amazon, and baby, chef's kiss. I love this thing. It really cuts down on the drying time and also dries the wig from the inside out. Now I'm going in with my paddle brush to, blow dry the hair because I want that hair to be as sleek and straight as possible. So I'm gonna have to do this method, but I really love that dryer stand. Look at this. Look at the body. Look at the balance. Baby, she is thick. She is giving. Yes. All right, so now we're going in with our 𝚃𝚑𝚒𝚒 Shine Therapy Flat Iron. I do have her on the setting of 450. Don't worry, we are going to be using our 𝚃𝚑𝚒𝚒𝚒 Heat Protecting Spray. Please make sure you're using heat protecting spray. You want to protect this wig, okay? You want to act like this is your own hair, okay? So I spray that and then I just brush the product throughout the hair. And this is the results of the first section. Do y'all not see this? Okay, silk, shiny, and she has a lot of body. So let's get into it. So now we're just going to take our flat iron and do the chase method. Now I don't use a comb. I actually use this brush thing. I don't know what it's called, but I just do the chase method with that. I will link it below, and when I tell you guys it will have your silk presses onto another level, I'm telling you, that brush is going to change the game. But do be mindful that this brush is not like heat safe, so you really don't want to have it that close, or the plastic teeth things on the side, they will melt. So this is what the hairline looks after I bleached the knots and just ran the hot comb through it. I didn't pluck it or anything, so it comes just like this, y'all. Look at her. So natural. All right, so we're going to get ready for the installation portion. And like I said, we giving bust down middle part. We're going to do that today. But look at this hair. Look how good this turned out. And baby, 𝚃𝚒𝚒𝚒𝚒𝚒 Remington. That flat iron is my baby. It really gets hot. I'm sorry. Look at this. Y'all see the results? Okay. Do y'all see the kinkiness? Do y'all see how this looks like a fresh relaxer? Like, don't even play. Look at this. Look how natural and realistic this looks. Okay. Don't play. All right. So I went ahead and tinted the lace using my Kiss Temptations off camera. I thought I was recording, but I wasn't. So here we are. So I'm just going to go ahead and take a makeup wipe and just wipe off the spray that got onto the actual hair strands, because we don't need that. And now I'm just going in with a little bit of wax, and we're going to hot comb the hairline. Now in the last clip when I said I hot combed it without any product on it. So I'm just going to add a little bit of wax, and we just going to get in and lay them down. I just can't get over the fact that this looks so freaking realistic. Everything down from the hairline, from the texture of the hair. Like, look at this. This looks like it's growing straight out of my scalp. It's giving fresh relaxer, and that's what I am here for. And like I said, this wig will definitely be good for the girls who love silk presses but don't want to be doing it on their hair. Okay, you get a wig and you can achieve the same results. All right, so now we're just gonna go ahead and remove the lace. Like I said, I like to cut fairly close when it comes down to the actual lace, and I also like to create jagged edges so it won't be like a blunt line going across my head. Like I said, we're trying to keep this looking very much natural, okay? Now we're gonna go ahead and secure the wig down. I'm using my EBIN spray. Y'all see that I brought EBIN back out. It's just something about EBIN that has a hold on me that, like, that is my first love. So we are back with EBIN. I'm just gonna put like a layer or two, and we're gonna allow that to dry and get tacky. And once it's tacky, you'll feel like your finger kind of getting stuck to it. So you'll just align the wig with where you place the product, and then use your finger or the back of the comb or the rat tail end and just press that lace down into that. And look at that. Like, don't even play with me. Do y'all not see how good this freaking looks? Like, oh my God. So yeah, I'm just going to continue this throughout the entire install with those same easy steps. For beginners, I do recommend you to work in sections. Do not try to adhere this down all at once. It's going to be frustrating if you do that. So work in section. And also, if you need clips or anything of that nature, use clips to help hold the, hair out of your face. All right, look at her. Look at this freaking lace. It look good. Okay, we're going to do a little bit more meltage. I'm taking some of this lace melting spray from EBIN as well, and I'm just tapping it into my hairline. I just sprayed some on the back of the lid, and then I'm just tapping it in and then using my comb to make sure the lace is not lifting. Of course, when you put liquid on it, it can lift up, but I love to press it down with my finger and then go in directly with my blow dryer and press the lace back down just in case it does try to lift up. And this is just gonna help your lace melt more. We are gonna do the double band method, so grab you 2 elastic bands and put them tight. Okay, tight is crap. And allow it to sit for a few minutes. I think I let this sit on for about 5 to 10 minutes. All right, let's take her off. Let's take her off and see. Let's see. Don't play. Okay, don't play. Straight up scalp. Argue with your mama. Because look at this. She's giving. I'm just going in to take out some of the edges that were there for us. Okay, you can do baby hairs or you can just leave it natural as possible and push it back into the unit. Now with this specific unit, I want the baby hairs to be just free flowing. Like, I don't want them to be uniform and nice and neat and all of that stuff. So with this specific unit, there is no right or wrong way to do baby hairs. Okay, you just gonna do it, form them, and just make them as natural as possible. So I kept playing with them until it looked not uniform, if you know what I mean. All right, so y'all see, I didn't do too much. I swear, it's just light baby hairs. It's nothing too much. So I'm just going in to define my part with some cream foundation. Normally I use concealer, so I like that I use my cream foundation because I feel like it looks more natural. And I'm just going in with a little bit of my Tintation spray in the shade black to close up the part because, of course, like I said, I bleached the knots off camera and I kind of over bleached them, but that's neither here or there. All right, so now lastly I'm just gonna go in and just do some layers. I feel like sometimes I don't know, it just can look blunt, so I just wanted to frame my face a little bit. I am gonna bump the ends later, but I just wanted to give a little bit of shape to the front of the section of the hair. So I'm just cutting angles and then I'm gonna trim up the ends so it can be nice and blunt. So this is gonna be pretty much it to today's install. Okay, y'all cannot tell me it does not look freaking natural. Like, you just can't tell me that. This unit has a lot of body. It has a lot of natural silk and shine. Do y'all not see how good this look? I think I've been saying that the whole video because y'all just not getting what I'm saying. Okay, so yeah, so let me just do my little rating and just giving you guys my overall thoughts and view of this unit while we do the little bumps of the ends. I will rate this unit a 10 out of 10. I had no complaints whatsoever with this unit. Like I said, this unit is very versatile. You can wear it in its kinkiness state or you can straighten it out. It does revert back, okay, to its kinkiness. As soon as you wash it, it comes out. I did have shedding because I did pluck it, but it wasn't a lot of shedding. Tangling was non-existent. Even when I first got the wig and detangling, I didn't get any tangling. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. All information in regards to this unit will be listed down in the description section below. So yeah, until my next video, your girl will see you later. Bye guys.